What should this video be about? It's 8:51.
Want to see something cool? I'm not moving my hands. Look at.
Oh! You know she's double jointed? She can do that. Without moving.
I'm not double jointed though.
The next guest is Buddy.
Wait, do you want to meet my dog?
Mine as well.
Yeah, it's our dog. His name?
Except for Hole. Not Hole.
His name, Buddy. His name, Buddy. His name is Buddy, and he's a dachshund.
It's a dachshund.
Buddy, stop it. Buddy, just calm down. Just calm down. Okay, my dog's name's Joe. I'm kidding, it's Buddy. And it's yes, I love you just a little too much. Oh. Isn't he so cute? However cute you think he is, rate the video on that. Buddy, look at the camera. Okay, but you don't. However cute you think my doggy is, that's what you should rate the video, okay?
Can I put PS2?
Okay. Okay, so, you know, one day I was walking in the park, that's old. That was from the last video. I'm craving candy. I made it really small. Oh, we're still filming.
Oh. Piece of gum.
Dude, I've got my next topic for the next movie.